Hello everyone, my name is William Bradley and I'm here to discuss an extremely important issue. While it may be an uncomfortable topic and it's not one many are willing to accept, it's a fact we all must know. And that fact is, the Earth is dying. Our Earth is dying. Our world is dying, and it's our fault. Climate change and global warming have long been a hot topic for our society, but not many know just how bad it is. The ice caps are melting, the oceans are rising, coral reefs are going to extinct, crops are beginning to fail. And if that's not enough to scare you, maybe some of the things I'm about to say will. According to BBC News, human activity is the dominant cause of widespread temperature increase, mostly the result of toxic greenhouse gas emissions. In the United States alone, greenhouse gas emissions have increased by more than 7% from 1990 to 2014. Most of these emissions are caused by generating electricity and by transportation, both things we all do in our everyday lives. In 2006, U.S. Senator Dianne Feinstein labeled global warming as the single greatest environmental challenge, and 15 years later, it still is. The ironic thing is, the same fossil fuels we use to survive in our everyday lives are the same ones putting our lives and environment at risk. Why is that, you may ask? Well, it's simple. The carbon dioxide released from these fossil fuels emissions enters our atmosphere and does not dissipate for at least 50 years. This causes the Earth's temperature to rise. And while it may not seem like 1 degree may matter now, NASA has projected that temperatures could rise by at least 10 degrees within the next century. So how do we solve this issue, you may ask? Assuming it's not too late already. Well, this change starts with you, by doing small things that can make a big difference. Start by changing up little things you do in your everyday life. Little things you do at home. For example, wash your clothes in cold water instead of hot water. Air dry as many of your clothes as possible. Purchase an energy efficient and environmentally friendly thermostat. All of these things are small sacrifices that you could do that could make a lasting impact. Now, while that is a start, the biggest difference you can make is voting in your local elections. Excuse me. Pay attention to who your candidates are and what they value, what policies they intend to implement in regards to climate change. Because as of right now, our government is doing little to solve this issue. I hope that I have informed you enough on this critical issue, climate change and global warming, at least enough for you to want to take action. I appreciate your willingness to listen, and especially to what I have to say. Thank you.